Owned by Blur is played in standard tuning with no capo. We're going to start off by resting our left hand gently on the E and A strings to get that muted sound, and then we're just going to strum 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so 2 full bars of down, up, down, up, down, up, down. There's then a 4-bar link into the main riff, which actually uses the first part of the main riff anyway. But we're sliding down from 12 to 5 on the low E string, and then we're going to play a power chord here, an A power chord, 5 on the E, 7 on the A, strumming down 3 times. So slide and hit the chord 3 times. That twice is 1 bar. For the main riff, we start off exactly the same way, but this time just for 2 bars. So the slide down from 12 to 5 and strumming that chord 3 times. And then the second chord we go to, we slide down from 12 to 8 and strum this chord 3 times. So this is a C power chord. Again, we have 2 full bars of that. So we have this 12 slide down to 5 for the A power chord for 2 bars, then the 12 slide down to 8 for the C power chord for 2 bars. Before we start sliding down from 8 to the first fret here and the 3rd fret on the A for an F power chord. This is for 2 full bars as well. We're then going to slide down from 8 to 3 on the E and 5 on the A, so a G power chord this time. This time it's for 1.5 bars, so we'll go 3 times through the whole pattern. And then we're going to go up to 6 and 8, so like a B flat chord, and just strum that 4 times, so there isn't a slide down that time. Okay, so we have the G 3 times. Straight to the B flat. So the whole thing slowly is the A 4 times, C, F, G, finishing off on the B flat there. So 4 times through the A, 4 times through the C, 4 times through the F, 3 times through the G, then 4 strums on the B flat power chord. For the link into the chorus, we're going to play an A bar chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. For the chorus, we have a C chord, into a B minor chord, A minor chord, going to an F, we'll then go to an A minor, F, F minor, then we repeat. For the strumming we have C, down, 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 and the last down on the 4 and, we'll swap to a B minor, down, 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 go to our A minor on the first beat this time, down, 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 swap to an F on the 4 and again this time, down, 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 back to the A minor, down, down, change to the F on the 4 and again, down, 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 straight to an F minor, down, 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 and then back through again. So C, B minor, A minor, F, A, F, minor, C, B minor, A minor, F, A minor, F, F minor, finish on the single strum of C. There's then an awesome outro riff which starts off on the 10th fret of the B, 9th fret on the G, sliding back into the 9th fret of the G. Then 10, 9, 7 on the D, grabbing 5th fret on the A.